With rapid remote workforce expansion, an increase in encrypted traffic pulsing through federal and healthcare networks, and the surge of 5G and IoT-related traffic, the load on today's business network has never been greater. This explosion of data is challenging the traditional perimeter security model. As a result, firewalls must perform a deeper inspection on more traffic and can no longer keep up with the sudden influx. But in reality, roughly 80% of network traffic consists of flows that may not require deep security inspection. For example, only the first few packets of compressed video streams or encrypted traffic actually need to be inspected for threats. But a traditional, unaccelerated software-defined firewall will inspect all packets of each flow. This quickly consumes CPU resources and overburdens the inspection process. Adding more and larger firewall agents can address this considerable increase in demand, but this also causes a spike in the total cost of ownership and is therefore cost-prohibitive. To address these challenges, NVIDIA has partnered with cybersecurity leader Palo Alto Networks to accelerate their VM series virtual next-generation firewall using NVIDIA BlueField-2 DPU. This joint solution creates an Intelligent Traffic Offload, or ITO, subscription service that overcomes throughput, scalability, and heavy CPU load challenges. By adding a DPU and ITO, the system can now identify the safe 80% before going into a firewall deep scan and offload it to the network. This is how it works. The BlueField DPU sends the first few packets of an incoming flow to the firewall for inspection. After analyzing the packets, a decision is made. If further inspection is required, the DPU sends all additional packets from the flow to the firewall. If no further inspection is needed, the DPU forwards the remainder of the packets onto the network, bypassing further firewall scrutiny. When securing high-throughput network backbones that contain secure encrypted traffic such as data on financial services, healthcare, and federal networks, the encrypted traffic undergoes the same process, and the majority is offloaded by the BlueField DPU while the VM series firewall runs full security services on all suspect traffic. This accelerates overall throughput from 16 gigabits per second to 93 gigabits per second, resulting in a 5 times performance improvement, while offloaded data traffic consumes 0 CPU cycles, resulting in a substantial CapEx savings. Enterprise networks and online higher education learning platforms that process huge workloads of streaming traffic from video or audio conferences and online instruction can accelerate firewalls at 100 gigabits per second. The integration of Palo Alto Networks' VM series virtual next-generation firewall and NVIDIA BlueField-2 DPUs turbocharges the Intelligent Traffic Offload solution for the next-gen firewalls while completely freeing the CPU cores. The end result is an increase in infrastructure efficiency that also fully maximizes your cybersecurity investments.